Good morning, class 7 students. We are doing geography and we are on chapter number 4. And this is part 2 of chapter number 4. Students, today our topic is structure of the atmosphere. Students, as you see, these are the layers of our atmosphere. If you see this diagram, these are the layers of and you can see many layers are there. First is tropopause, stratosphere, mesosphere, then the thermosphere and exosphere. These are all the 5 layers in which Earth's surface has been divided. See, let's start with the reading question. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers starting from the Earth's surface. If we know that atmosphere has been divided into 5 layers, and these are the names of the layers. First one is the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The Earth atmosphere has been divided into the 5 layers. First layer is the troposphere. It's down here. See this diagram? It's down here, troposphere. Students, this layer is the most important layer of the atmosphere. Which is the most important layer? It's troposphere. Its average height is 13 kilometers. The air we breathe exits here, and the air which is good for the human being exits here. Almost all the weather phenomena like rainfall, fog and hailstorm occurs in this layer. Students, this is the layer and it has had an average height of 13 kilometers, and which is very important for the human beings because it has all the weather phenomena like rainfall, fog, hailstorm occurs in this layer only. Now, second layer is stratosphere. Above the troposphere lies is the stratosphere. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere. It extended to a height of 50 kilometers. So, above the second layer is the stratosphere and it is of 50 kilometers. This layer is almost free from cloud and associated weather phenomena. This layer we will not have they free from means they do not have the clouds or weather phenomena, making condition most ideal for flying aeroplane. So where the aeroplane flying is done? Because in the stratosphere layer, because it is free from clouds and weather condition. It is one important feature of stratosphere is that it contains a layer of ozone gases. We have just learned how it protects us from the harmful effects of the sun rays. It contains the ozone layer also, students. And this layer helps us from the harmful effect. If this layer is not there, we can have the problem of the harmful, we can face the problem of the effects of the atmosphere. Our next layer is the mesosphere. This is the third layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. Above the stratosphere is the mesosphere. It extended at a height of 80 kilometers. Meteoroids burn in this layer and enter to the space. Whatever the aerospace has been meteoroids are burned in this layer only, and then through this layer they enter through the space. The next layer is the thermosphere. In thermosphere, temperature rises very rapidly. This is the layer where the temperature increases very rapidly, increases at a high rate. With increasing height, ionosphere is the part of the layer. It extended between the 80 to 400 kilometer. So this is the layer where it can extend from 80 to 400 kilometer. This layers help in the radio transmission. This question can be asked. So which layer helps in the radio transmission? This layer helps means the radio transmission is possible through this layer. In the fact, radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer only. When the radio transmission is being done, students, when the radio waves are being transmitted, means they have been transmitted from one place to another. After striking this layer, they come back to the layer of the earth. Exosphere, the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. This is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. It is known as the exosphere. This layer has very thin air. This layer of the earth the uppermost layer of the atmosphere is very thin layer of the earth, very thin layer of the earth. Light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the space from here only. Light gases such as helium, hydrogen float from this layer only into the space. So students, in this topic we have read about the 5 layers or the structure of atmosphere, which has been made up of 5 layers. Troposphere, which is the very important layer of the atmosphere, and it carries all the weather phenomena. Stratosphere, above the thermosphere is the stratosphere, which is used for flying aeroplanes. Thermosphere, which is above the stratosphere, and through this we can meteoroids are being burned. Then above that is the thermosphere. It has a height increasing, and if it has it is good for help in radio transmission. And exosphere, the light gases are formed such as helium and hydrogen. So these completed your structure of atmosphere. Thank you, class.